morning, girls and boys. Welcome to mathematics lesson. And today we are going to start a new topic. Can you guess which topic is that? We are starting a new topic called length. We are starting a new topic called length. Have you tried to ask yourself, what is length? Have you ever heard someone talk about length? So what is length? I'm going to explain to you very simple words. Length talks about how long something is. Yeah? How long or how short something is. If you're talking about how long or how short something is, then you're talking about length. Have you seen the word length? The word length is there on the blackboard. Length is how long or how short something is. So that's what you're going to learn, or that's what you're going to be studying in this topic, this new topic. So when you talk about length, I've said you're going to use the word long, and you should also be using the word short. Okay? Get note of those words. When you talk about length, we are going to be using these words long, and we're going to be using the word short. And the other word we're going to be using in this topic is the word than. Can you say than? And we should also be using the word same as. Same as. So these are the words we're going to use when we shall be talking about length. Which words are these going to be referring to? We shall be talking about length, long. We shall also be talking about short and also same as. So look here, children. I've got these two items. I have this ruler and I have this stick. We want to compare them. We want to see which is long and which is short. Okay? We are going to compare them. To compare is to see which one is longer and which one is shorter. That's what we mean by comparing. So you need to compare the length of the ruler and the length of the stick. Okay? So remember I've laid it down. Now let's say that you're going to use the word long or the word short or the word same as. So in our case here, where I'm using the ruler and the stick, the ruler and the stick, we're now comparing. Look at the ruler and look at the stick. Which one is longer? Which one is longer? Can you see that, children? Which one is longer? Very good. The ruler is longer. And the stick is shorter. So if you're making a sentence, what would you have said? What would you have said if you're making a sentence using these two, a ruler and a stick? Yes, some of you are saying it correctly. You say the ruler is longer than the stick. The ruler is longer than the stick. Let's try to write. Very good, children. So you're saying, we are going to say the ruler is longer. Word longer is here. The ruler is longer than. Are you seeing the word than? The ruler is longer than the stick. The ruler is longer than the stick. Did you see what we did? Yes, we are comparing the ruler and the stick. You can look at it again, once again. Can you see? The stick is short and the ruler is long. So if you're starting with the word ruler, then you shall say the ruler is longer than the stick. Get note of this one, longer than. The ruler is longer than the stick. Very good. Let's use another item. Let's use another item. I've got these two. What are these? I have a pencil and I have a brush, painting brush. We are comparing the length. We are comparing the length between the two. Which one is longer? Between the two, which one is longer, children? Very nice. The brush is longer than the pencil. The painting brush is longer than the pencil. So if you're making a sentence, what are you going to say? We are going to say the painting brush is longer. The painting brush painting brush is longer than the pencil. Very good, children. So we've used the word longer than. You've seen what you've just done. When you compare the two, the pencil and the painting brush is a bit long. So we make a sentence by saying the painting brush is longer than the pencil. Good. Let's use another example. I've got two textbooks here. One is green color and the other one is white in color. You see? We want to compare the length. Remember, the word length means how long or how short something is. Yes? Don't forget that. Length is all about how long or how short something is. So we have these two books here, the green and the white book. We want to compare their length. So let's put them together. Put them together that way. You see? Which one is longer? Yes. Very good, children. The green book is longer than the white book. Did you see that? Let's do it again. We are comparing the two. Which one looks longer? Yes, the green book is longer than the white book. So we come and write our sentence. We are saying here, this was number 1, this is number 2, and number 3 we are saying the green book is, remember we are still using the word longer, and then which other one are we using? Than. It is longer than. It's longer than which book? It's longer than the white. It's longer than the white book. Very good, children. We are using, this time we are using longer than. I'm doing the last one. I'm going to do the last one. I have a stick. And I have a painting brush. A stick and a painting brush. We want to see which one is longer. Yes? So we put the stick and the painting brush together. Are you seeing that? The stick and the painting brush. Are you seeing the stick is much longer than the painting brush? Yes. So if the stick is longer, then we must use than. The word than. The painting brush. So what we say using a sentence? The stick is longer than the painting brush. The stick is longer than the painting brush. So in your sentence, you must have the word longer and than. Yes? And you go for the one that is long. So the one that is long will start. The one that is short will be the last one on the sentence. In our case, the stick is longer. The painting brush is it's shorter. So we are going to start with the stick because the one that's long. So say the stick is longer than the painting brush. What have we learned today, children? We've learned about length, comparing length. And you're using the word longer than. I'm sending you some work. Make you fill in using the word longer than.